corporate treasury is at a crossroads. The traditional model, reliant on manual processes, fragmented systems, and reactive decision-making, is no longer sustainable in an era of real-time data, cyber threats, and globalized finance. Digital transformation is not just an option. It is a strategic imperative for treasuries that want to remain competitive, secure, and agile. This ebook, Digital Transformation in Corporate Treasury. Need, Importance, and Benefits explores why digital transformation is critical for modern treasury operations, the technologies driving this change, and the tangible benefits organizations can achieve. If you work in corporate treasury, this guide provides actionable insights to help you navigate the shift toward a smarter, more efficient treasury function. Perfect for treasury professionals looking to modernize operations, mitigate risks, and stay ahead in a competitive market. From cash flow visibility to regulatory compliance, this ebook covers it all. What's inside? Why digital transformation is a must in today's fast-paced economy. Key technologies: AI, cloud systems, blockchain, APIs, and big data. Practical steps to overcome challenges and implement change. Future trends like real-time treasury and predictive analytics. Available on Amazon worldwide. Learn more and get your copy today on Amazon. The introduction page explains the book's purpose, scope, or background, providing a sense of what to expect, outlining the transformation of corporate treasury from traditional cash and risk management to a strategic business driver, emphasizing the role of digital technologies like automation, AI, and real-time analytics, and provides a roadmap for modernizing treasury operations. Section 1 of the book outlines the evolving role of corporate treasury, discusses how globalization, regulatory pressures, and fintech disruptions are expanding the treasury function into a strategic role, moving beyond traditional financial operations. Section 2 discusses why digital transformation is no longer optional, highlights inefficiencies in traditional treasury operations, such as manual processes and limited visibility, and external pressures like regulatory changes, cybersecurity threats, and market competition driving the need for digital transformation. Section 3 discusses key technologies driving treasury transformation, explores transformative technologies like automation, AI, cloud-based systems, blockchain, APIs, and predictive analytics that are reshaping treasury workflows for efficiency and agility. Section 4 reviews the benefits of a digitally transformed treasury, details the advantages of digital adoption, including operational efficiency, cost reduction, enhanced risk management, improved compliance, and better strategic decision-making. Section 5 of this book discusses challenges and risks in digital adoption, identifies obstacles like organizational resistance, technical complexity, and data security concerns, while offering strategies like change management and strategic technology selection to mitigate risks. Section 6 of this book walks you through the steps to implement digital transformation in Treasury, outlines a structured approach for transformation, including process assessment, objective setting, technology selection, phased implementation, and ongoing optimization. Section 7 reviews the future trends in Treasury technology, examines emerging technologies like advanced AI, central bank digital currencies, quantum computing, and embedded finance that will shape the future of Treasury operations. Section 8 discusses artificial intelligence in Treasury, discusses current AI applications like cash forecasting and fraud detection, and future potential for predictive intelligence, autonomous operations, and natural language interfaces in Treasury. Section 9 of this book discusses the cloud-based treasury management systems, covers the capabilities of cloud systems in cash, risk, and payment management, alongside technical considerations like security, scalability, and vendor evaluation criteria. Section 10 discusses uses of blockchain applications in Treasury, explores practical blockchain uses in cross-border payments and trade finance, evaluating its potential, implementation challenges, and strategies for gradual adoption. Section 11 reviews things about APIs and open banking, describes how APIs enhance Treasury connectivity through real-time cash visibility and payment initiation, with considerations for implementation and future trends like API standardization. Section 12 discusses the process of building a data-driven treasury function. Focuses on establishing a data-driven treasury through centralized data, quality management, and analytics development, supported by talent and cross-functional collaboration. Section 13 of this book discusses managing change for treasury transformation, addresses challenges like resistance and technical anxiety, offering a framework for stakeholder engagement, training, and leadership to ensure successful transformation. Section 14 reviews things related to ROI analysis and business case development. Details how to quantify transformation benefits like cost savings and risk reduction, alongside methods for comprehensive cost assessment and ROI calculation. Section 15 goes over security and compliance considerations. Examines Treasury-specific security risks like payment fraud and compliance requirements, offering best practices for secure architecture and ongoing monitoring. Section 16 discusses the process of selecting the right technology partners, compares single vendor versus ecosystem approaches, providing criteria and a structured process for evaluating and selecting technology partners. Section 17 of this book walks through the global treasury transformation considerations, discusses managing regional banking variations, balancing global standardization with local needs, and addressing challenges like cultural differences in global deployments. Section 18 discusses things about real-time treasury, explores the shift to real-time treasury operations with instant visibility, dynamic liquidity, and predictive analytics, enabled by technologies like instant payment networks and APIs. Section 19 of this book shares treasury transformation success stories. Presents case studies of successful treasury transformations in a manufacturing conglomerate and a financial services firm, highlighting common success factors like executive support and clear metrics. Section 20 goes over process of overcoming common transformation pitfalls, identifies failure points like scope creep and data quality issues, offering recovery strategies such as focused remediation and stakeholder re-engagement. Section 21 discusses the process of measuring treasury transformation success, provides a KPI framework for evaluating transformation success across efficiency, financial impact, and risk management, with best practices for sustained value measurement. Section 22 goes over the need of building the future-ready treasury team, discusses evolving skill requirements, organizational structures, and talent strategies to build a digitally adept, collaborative, and innovative treasury team. Conclusion page summarizes the strategic importance of treasury transformation, presents a maturity model, and offers practical next steps for assessing, planning, and implementing a transformation journey.